Struggling to come up with blog topics? You've been asked to come up with a list of blog topics. Sounds easy, until you realize they need to be relevant, engaging, fresh, and sometimes even optimized for search engines. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use ContextMinds to find trending and relevant topics, organize them visually on a whiteboard, discover what people are actually searching for, keep your research structured and easy to reference. Everything in ContextMinds starts with a whiteboard, your personal space to collect, organize, and expand on ideas. The quickest way to get started is to generate a map from a prompt. Choose Concept Map and enter a prompt that describes what you're looking for. For example, I want to discover topics of interest to people who manage spa businesses. The AI will generate an initial visual map of ideas. You'll get a chance to refine the map before you accept it. Once you accept, you'll see something like this. Note, you're not looking to create a perfect map. At this stage, you simply want to make sure the most relevant ideas are on your whiteboard. Let's say you want to explore one of the topics on your map, like health and wellness trends. Select that item and take a look at the Search tab on the left. Highlight topics and use the filters to adjust where ContextMinds will search for suggestions. Add any topic suggestions by clicking on the plus or just by dragging the suggestion to the whiteboard. Drag items around on your whiteboard to organize your topic suggestions however you like. You can add them as subtopics within wellness trends or keep them separate and repeat the process to search for more specific subtopics. With different types of searches, keywords, questions, headings, or articles, you can find out exactly what keywords people are searching for or what kinds of questions you can answer in your posts. To group keywords or any other items, use the frame located in the bottom toolbar. You can name it whatever makes sense for you, but keep in mind that the name won't impact search results in the Search tab. Pro tip: don't underestimate the power of searching through questions. Remember, you're trying to hook your readers, and a question is a powerful way to invoke their curiosity. Heading suggestions are also a great starting point for brainstorming topics. Whether you're looking for sources to cite in your blog, or you just want to make sure that your topic is unique, the article search is your friend. And don't forget to refine your search with filters. Some posts benefit from knowing what's on Reddit, and others are more in the scientific journals category. And boom! You'll have a list of relevant, interesting, and fresh topics in a matter of minutes. Bonus information. Most of us have related ideas while we're working that need follow-up later on, or just to remind us next time we log in. But we don't want these notes to affect suggestion results. There are two ways to save this information: with a pinned note that's associated with a particular map item on the right-hand side of the screen in the Notes panel, or with a sticky note that you can place anywhere on the map.